After an FIR was filed against Akash Anand in Sitapur, Mayawati's nephew has been removed as the national coordinator and successor of the Bahujan Samaj Party. Now, Akash Anand, he was removed over political immaturity. This is what Mayawati posted on the social media platform X. BJP, on the other hand, has said that Mayawati, she runs the BSP like a private company.
मायावती बहुजन समाज पार्टी को एक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी की तरह चलाती हैं और इसीलिए जब जेल में आता है जैसे निर्णय करना चाहती हैं वैसा निर्णय कर लेती हैं, क्योंकि वहां तो एको अहम द्वितीयो नास्ति। मायावती जी जैसा चाहे वैसा निर्णय कर सकती हैं। आकाश आनंद जिस तरह से गैर जिम्मेदाराना बयान दे रहे थे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लेकर के जिस तरह की अपमानजनक टिप्पणी उन्होंने की थी, जनता के बीच में उनका बहुत आक्रोश इसको लेकर के पनपा था और मायावती जी ने इस बात को महसूस किया, इसलिए आकाश आनंद को तमाम जिम्मेदारियों से मुक्त करने का काम किया है। लेकिन मायावती जी जो बहुजन समाज पार्टी एक मिशन के रूप में माना करती थी, जो बाद में कमीशन में तब्दील हो गया है, क्या इसमें कोई बदलाव कर पाएंगी?
And Tanishq joins us to give us more details on this. Tanishq, Mayawati says this is political immaturity shown by Akash Anand, but what can be the bigger reason that might have prompted this change?
Well, Akash Anand, after he was announced the national after he was announced the successor of the party in December, after the state polls just got over, there was of course a lot of spotlight on him. And as the campaigning began for the 2024 Lok Sabha polls, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Akash Anand was making headlines for his fiery and aggressive speeches, especially in Nagina, Chandauli and other parts. So, of course, Akash Anand was making headlines for his speeches, and then in the Sitapur, while he was addressing a rally in Sitapur, after his speech, after his fiery and aggressive speech, an FIR was lodged against him for violating the model code of conduct. Now, this of course did not go well with the top brass of the party, and all his rallies, if we talk about, as we know from our sources, all his rallies were put on hold for the time being. And now the latest decision by the BSP Supremo Mayawati saying that he has been removed from as a national coordinator also and the successor of the party until he becomes mature. So of course that was a very strong remark by the BSP Supremo Mayawati. Meanwhile, his father Anand Kumar will continue to perform his duties as usual. But yes, in the politics of Uttar Pradesh, a very important development that Akash Anand, who was named as the successor just a few months ago, has now been removed as the successor and the national coordinator of the party.
All right, Tanishq Punjabi, thank you very much for getting us all those details.